Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your camera. I'm going to click on here, open my camera. Then after open up your camera, go ahead and make sure you click on video section. Under the video section, before you start capturing, what you want to do is to make sure you click on this setting icon. They take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to change the video quality right here. So click on that. So it's going to take you right here. Now you have from the lowest quality to the highest quality. However, this depends on the type of Android version you are using. So this is Android 14 and the maximum quality here is 2K and 30 frame rate per second. What I'm going to do is to switch to the highest quality right here, which serves as the best quality video recording setting so far on this Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to master video recording on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.